Now you have graded the assignment that has a Canvas outcome link to it. So now, what do the students see, and how can parents be involved in this process? So what you would have your students do is log into Canvas using alexandriacsc.instructure.com. When they log in, they would use the first four of their first name and their last name along with their password. And their password is the capital letter of their first name, lowercase last name, and then their 9-digit lunch number. So, for example, my name is Shawn Churchill, so it would be Shaw, S-H-A-W, then my last name Churchill as their username. The password would be capital S, because my first name is Shawn, lowercase c, and then the 9-digit lunch number that they should know. And if you don't know, you could contact the office and get it. So when your parent gets logged in, I would suggest just using their student credentials just because it's easier. They would go to courses and they would find the name of your course. So I'm going to call mine's the Canvas Learning Outcome course. I'm actually going to click on a different one because I have two of them, and this is the one where I have some learning outcomes. So then over here on the left toolbar, your students would click on grades, or your parents. So here you'll see two different grade books. You see the assignment grade book and the learning mastery grade book if you're grading on proficiency standards. So let's click over on the learning mastery first. So I have a math outcome assignment that I've graded. If I click here, you'll see that my student has check marks, which means meets mastery. Then you can even go a little bit further and see that they got a 4 out of 4 or meets mastery on adding and subtracting using numbers higher than 10, and also a math outcome assignment. Well, what is that math outcome really assignment? And what is this add and subtract assignment? We really don't even know what those are. So we can look even further into the assignment part of that. So if the parent or the student wants to actually see the rubric and also see any comments that the teacher has left for that particular student, they can click on assignments. And so here you'll see both of my assignments that's linked to that particular outcome. So then if I click here on the math outcome assignment, where it says view feedback, you can see that the teacher left a comment, great job. And then in the right-hand corner where it says show rubric, you can see that the student met the standards, and you can dig even deeper. So this is great. This is so much better than the traditional report card where you just get A, B, C, D, and you don't really even know what that stands for. Here, parents can see feedback, the rubric, and see how that grade aligns to the proficiency standards using both the traditional gradebook and also the outcome learning mastery gradebook as well.